Hello everybody! In efforts to continue improving in videos, I have purchased this Ulanzi, I guess is how you say it, magic arm camera wall mount. As seen pictured, guessing it's model ZJ04. I've already taken it out of the box and have mounted it up. It simply comes with the unit and screws and wall anchors to mount it. I didn't need the wall anchors because I am screwing directly into the studs. Let's take a look at it. Here it is mounted on the wall. So I haven't been happy with how my tripod setup's working out here. There's not very much room to deal with the tripod. And also, if I wanted to record videos at this washing machine, it's very difficult to do that with the tripod in the way. So I'm thinking this might do the trick along with my lighting. Let's take a look at some of its actions that it can do. You can loosen this up and it'll swing down the whole arm. It's also telescoping here as well as here. That one was already extended. It goes about 4 inches or so, but that's just enough. And then you can tighten it down and it stays in place pretty well. Camera mounts there, of course. So if I wanted to go straight out, that one will go straight out. I can go out here. And out to here. So that would give me approximately 26 inches of length. So that's not too shabby. So I'm going to set it up and get in position for maybe a wash video or a demonstration video and see how I would need to adjust this to make that happen. Well, here's what I've got. I think that's going to work fantastically. Look at that. And then I can zoom right on in and get a real nice shot of the wash action there. So here's my angle. I didn't mention this also will pivot on a ball for pretty good adjustment there, and then just cinch it down with this guy right here. And I also failed to mention that this whole thing will pivot. So there's my angle of the dangle. So definitely very good, very, very good. Much better than trying to tripod it. I think that'll make a better picture. In addition, I can work on stuff here in this area. So once again, my Ulanzi ZJ04, thank you for watching.